Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Justice Abimbola Awogboro wey be from Federal High Court wey sit down for Lagos don sama our controversial guy, abi na babe we go call am, crossdresser Idris Olanrewaju Okuneye wey everybody dey call Bobrisky 6 months inside prison wey no get option of fine sake of say e do naira money anyhow. The judge say dis one go teach other people wey dey abuse money anyhow lesson. Before judge sama am 6 months imprisonment, e first ask Bobrisky whether im be man or woman. Na sharparly Bobrisky answer am say im na man. Before judge come sama am 6 months inside prison wey go start counting from the day wey dem arrest am, wey be March 24, 2024. Make I follow here enter Emefiele case. High Court wey sit down for Ikeja, Lagos State don grant former governor for CBN Godwin Emefiele bail with 50 million naira. Na Justice Ramon Oshodi grant am bail with 2 surety for the same amount. Make una no forget say na 26 count charge Emefiele dey face for court wey get connection with abuse of office, even though e tok say im no dey guilty to all the charges wey EFCC take accuse am for court. Na on Monday special offence court wey sit down for Ikeja, Lagos State say make dem put Emefiele for EFCC custody after dem arrange am for court. Justice Ramon Oshodi say make im and im partner wey dem follow accuse Henry Omohile still stay for custody till Friday before judge come grant Emefiele bail, but na Nigerian Correctional Service dem put Omohile. Emefiele lawyer argue say make court take mercy eye look im client sake of say na public figure. All the full story dey inside Vanguard newspaper wey come out today. Different tori don show face for the wahala wey shele wey make some actors change address go heaven inside boat wey tumble for Annam River, Anambra State when dem dey come from where dem go shoot film. One of the actors wey change address go heaven na Pope Obumneme Odonwodo wey everybody know as Pope Junior. Actor TC Okafor wey follow dem enter boat but wey God save im life don come out to narrate how the thing take happen. E say God save am sake of say im pour Fanta, money and some goody inside the river before e enter the boat. Na inside live video wey Okafor post for Instagram, e narrate say the accident happen because person wey dey steer the boat no get experience. According to as e take narrate, as dem dey come, im see another boat for front with fishermen inside. Instead make the driver jejely waka pass, na so e take nose hit the other boat wey make the boat capsize, on top say no be all of dem wear life jacket. Okafor say as the boat capsize, im hold the anchor with one of im colleague wey be woman until another boat come rescue dem. The full story dey inside Vanguard newspaper wey happen this afternoon. Anambra State Police Command don tok say dem don recover 3 remaining bodies of the victims wey kpai inside boat accident wey happen for Annam River on Wednesday when dem go shoot film for Anambra. Na dis one come make police warn everybody wey wan waka pass water make dem dey safety conscious. Dis boat wey capsize dey carry passenger wey be actors back from where dem go shoot film for Anambra West Local Government Area, Anambra State. Na April 10, popular Nollywood actor Junior Pope and 4 other pipo kpai inside boat tragedy. Na dis is the incident come make Actors Guild of Nigeria bar actors wey make dem no follow dem do any film wey go make dem go near water. Spokesperson for Anambra Police Tochukwu Ikenga say na on Thursday, April 11, 2024 dem recover 2 body before dem come see the last body this morning. Make una enter Punch newspaper go read the full story. If una gbadun dis story, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.